truck is fully insured, right? Fully insured?
That's not going to be able to reach the truck once you backs up to where it's going to start going.
It really just needs to be on that front post on the left.
Where?
Amy, can you get that film? Are you filming it?
Hey,
Oh, come over here.
where's?
Amy, can you film it?
I don't know how.
Is Grant up there, Lol?
No? We can't go in the back of the car?
No. Hey, Robert, is Grant up there? No? Shawnee, run up to our cabin and see if Grant's sitting right there with his eye touch.
But Sean's going to miss it, dude.
No, we'll wait for him.
We got here like a minute. Mom! Happy, how on this camera do we do video? Okay, don't move.
You put it on the video button.
Can you do video?
Do you want? Uh-huh.
Yeah. How do you do it? Wait, Abby, it's been a long time.
Where's your video? You don't have a video button.
I'm wondering if the LV is the video button.
No, that's...
No, it would be up here. No,
Okay, well,
you don't have video on there.
there is video, but...
There is?
Alright, let's take pictures.
And then you just try to do it.
Strange, really strange reason that tree.
Stop motion movie?
Keep it going. I want to keep going because I kind of aim that way. Floor it. You're going to have to make it to
Stop motion movie.
That's the creek.
You're not going to have to go that far.
No,
Oh, Shawnee!
For some reason that
He wasn't?
He was nothing.
I don't know where Grant is.
Hold on. Come back over here, guys. Come back over here.
There went the truck.
There went the rope. Oh, the rope broke.
Yeah, the rope broke the second he pulled.
Mom, that's
What?
Over. Well, that's not staying there pretty good, but half isn't. At least you know it's stable. Is Grant on a man?
No. I was just sitting on the porch there.
Yeah?
Shawnee, did you scream his name in our house?
Yeah.
And
He wasn't at my cabin when you were there.
you're sure?
Yeah. He was there earlier. He came up and everybody came up and then I don't know if he came back. No, I don't think he did. He was the first one. And I said, nobody's here. And he goes, oh yeah, everybody's here.
I can hook it here. No, I don't want that. Because I thought if this metal were to spring down.
Shawnee, run up to your cabin. It's fast. Where is he? I don't know where he is.
I think he's downstairs, honey. Yeah, he is. I think because he was watching the movie. Okay, then go knock on the bottom stairs window. And grab your jacket that's on the stairs, but on Grandpa and Grandma's stairs.
Let's see if we can get a chain. I'd like the distance. Yeah.
Mom.
Okay. Let's drive up there. Drive over there.
Where are you going, hun?
Come on the tractor said you got a chain.
Okay.